Like how compact this carrying case is. It even has like a little connected cord for charging. That's super convenient. It's easy to open. I like the color. The thing though that I don't like is how hard they are to get out of the case. I kind of struggle because they're like kind of slippery and hard to grab. And there's just not a lot of room to like, there's nothing to like grab, so they just slip, it seems like. But they come with a good variety of sizes for the earbuds. They fit okay in my ear. I don't feel like they're super secure, but I have to get them like tilted just right. The connectivity works really well. I haven't had any issues with the Bluetooth. And they're super easy to lock back into place.